how to set up monday.com for construction schedule. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to set up monday.com for construction schedule. So if you don't know yet, monday.com is a work management tools that lets you have a workspace so you can manage all your details, all your tasks, and all your data. Basically, there are two methods to do that. So the first one, you can use blank space. You can create from scratch, but it will take a lot of times. And so we're gonna use the second method, which is we're gonna use template. So you can choose your workspace, and then you can click add item here to your workspace. And then you can choose board, and then as you can see, there are two methods. Now you can choose start with template because it's easier. And then in the template center, you can go to your search box and then search construction. Oops, I think the construction like this. And as you can see, there are a few templates and there is construction schedule here. You can click it and you can see the description. Also, you can check the preview of the template. If you think it's good, you can just click use template here and it's creating and it's done. As you can see, this is the construction schedule. There is stage 1, stage 2, and so on. You can edit it as you want. You can modify it. You can also change the timeline, the status, and also you can add more column here. Maybe you need, more data to your construction schedule. And if you think this is not good enough for you, you can go back to the template template, go to board and start with template again. Then you can just search construction again, construction, and you can choose another, uh, template, maybe this one, and then you can check the preview, and then you can just click use template again to create your template board. And this is the second template. It's done. I think there are a lot of option here. So if you think it's good, yeah, you can modify it. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.